What's up, guys? We have made it to Forrest Gump Point in Monument Valley. This is the spot. Everyone's walking in the middle of the street right now. It's pretty freaking hilarious. I might have to bust out the drone in a minute. I think it might be not sanctioned by the Navajo Nation, but this will be between me and you. So let's send up the drone. Let's see what we can see. Let's go. Yay! Dude, that's a spot. Hey! Dude, what an epic place. I just got this sick Navajo bead, hand beaded, one at a time. Apparently it took them many moons to make it, because I lost my other charm. Now I got this cool, looks like a king cobra. Not a king cobra. I don't know what it's called. King snake? I don't know. Some type of snake. But that's awesome. And we're heading. Look at that. Let's go. We got some sick drone shots. We got all types of shots. Photos in the middle of the road. Oh man, what a good day. What a good day. Thank you, Forrest Gump Point. Oh, it's like Mount Doom right there. Whoa. Oh, that is the view. Whoa. Look at that. That is the road, baby. The road of dreams. Look to my left. Oh my goodness. Monument Valley. It's freaking epic. This place is nuts. Wow. How? How are they real? Scenic turnout. I'll show you a scenic turnout. Oh, good turnout. Hello. Look at this. They just blew it up. You can just ride right through. Whee! Let's see what's on the other side. Monuments! Give me more monuments! Whoa! The thing on my left is epic looking. Jeez. Wow, I gotta get it. That is the view right there. Dude, you checking this out? This place is nuts. This like freaking makes no sense. Oh man, this place is awesome. Whoa, what a view. What a view. This is the life, baby. This is it. This is it. Being on the bike, riding through these majestic freaking mountains. Oh my goodness. What a view. This place is blowing my chops right now. It's blowing my mind hard. It's epic. It's the only word I can describe it as.